It's 3 o'clock on a Friday. You get a frantic no heat call across town. When you get there, you find an old boiler and an equally old burner. No wiring diagram anywhere. You press the reset buttons, cross your fingers, and nothing. Zip, zilch. Then the owner says, "How much longer is this going to take? We haven't had heat all day." Sound familiar? I'm going to show you the method I use to solve these calls fast, even without a wiring diagram. This is Red Wolfhearth, the Boiler Room Detective. Need heating answers fast? HeatingHelp.com is your go-to spot for expert advice on boilers, steam, radiant, and more. Get real help from pros and homeowners alike. HeatingHelp.com. I use it all the time. As a newer tech, the boiler with the old power burner may be intimidating. Heck, they scare me. All those wires inside the burner control panel, try thinking of it in simpler terms. For example, the boiler on the right has the same exact safety controls as the one on the left: a low water cutoff, operating, and limit controls. The boiler with the atmospheric burner is much less daunting. Sometimes, to simplify it, I may use a hand-drawn wiring diagram of the safety circuit. Every boiler has a safety circuit. Think of it like this. You have a lamp, and it's controlled by several switches in a row, in series. If one of those switches opens, the light goes out. Same thing here. Power feeds through a chain of safety controls. If any one of them senses a problem, it opens the circuit and kills power to the burner. The safety circuit usually starts at the low water cutoff, then goes through the operating control, high limit, thermostat, or call for heat, and sometimes other safeties. The low water cutoff should always be the first safety control in line. The first things I check are the power to the burner and boiler, and if there's a call for heat. I've solved many no heat calls by flipping a switch on or turning the thermostat to heat. If you have power and a call for heat, I move to the safety circuit. When you're troubleshooting the safety circuit, there are two options. Option one, start at the beginning, at the power coming into low water cutoff, and work your way forward toward the burner. Option two is my preferred method. I start at the burner or load and work my way backwards. I like starting at the burner because in under a minute, you know exactly where the problem is. If you have power to the burner but no flame, the safety circuit is good and the issue is on the burner side: flame rod, igniter, transformer, blower motor, gas valve. If you have no power to the burner, then you know it's in the safety circuit and you start working your way backward toward the low water cutoff. One of the drawbacks to this is you may not know which wire is coming from the safety circuit to the burner. Here's how I do it in the field. First, verify I have incoming power to the boiler. Then check voltage at the burner. No power, start walking back the safety chain. I know what you're thinking. You could set the meter to resistance and check for a closed safety switch using continuity while the boiler is powered. That, my friend, would not be a good idea. If the switch is open, your meter becomes a jumper and the power to the safety circuit goes right through the meter. Goodbye, meter. Let's say you want to check the continuity of the low water cutoff on an empty boiler. Your meter bypasses or jumps out the safety control, low water cutoff, allowing the boiler to fire with no water. Goodbye, boiler. If you really want to use continuity to check for an open safety switch, be sure the power to the circuit is off. Common places where the circuit is open: low water cutoff, dirty probes, or actually low water. Operating or high limit controls, gas pressure switches, emergency door switches, or open thermostat circuit. Once you find the open control, fix or replace it. Reset everything and get that heat on. This method has saved me hours on Friday afternoons with no wiring diagram. It'll do the same for you. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to the Boiler Room Detective channel. Drop your worst Friday no heat story in the comments below. I read every one. Grab my books on Amazon if you want to go deeper into boiler systems. Stay safe out there. I'm Ray Wolfart, the Boiler Room Detective, and I'll see you on the next case.